Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, you need to open one of your apps that you wish to use in split screen view, in my case Chrome. Now select this button with three lines to access background apps. From here, click on the icon of your app, select Open in Split Screen View from the list, and select the other one. In my case, maybe Messages. Now, as you can see, I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to switch places, you can do that by clicking on those three dots in the middle and selecting this icon with two arrows. In order to go back from this mode, hold those three dots and drag the first step upwards or downwards. Then click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!